poor seed sleep beneath the frozen ground. Unseen but still intact, the storm destroys